Baking soda, scientifically known as sodium bicarbonate, is a commonly used household item that has a wide range of health benefits. It's inexpensive, easy to find, and versatile in its uses. Whether you're dealing with heartburn, bad breath, or skin irritation, baking soda can often provide a natural solution. This video explores the health benefits of baking soda and how it can be used to improve various aspects of your well-being. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Number 1. Alkalizes the body and balances pH levels. One of the key health benefits of baking soda is its ability to alkalize the body. The human body functions optimally within a specific pH range, and when the pH is too acidic, it can lead to various health issues, including fatigue, joint pain, digestive problems, and more. Baking soda acts as a buffer, neutralizing excess acidity in the blood and tissues, which may help restore balance and improve overall health. Baking soda is an alkaline compound, and when ingested, it dissolves into sodium ions and bicarbonate ions. The bicarbonate ions help neutralize excess acid in the stomach and bloodstream. The body maintains a delicate balance between acids and bases, and baking soda can act as a natural antacid, neutralizing acid and promoting better pH balance. Supports digestive health. A more alkaline environment in the stomach can help alleviate symptoms of acid reflux and indigestion. Promotes bone health. Some research suggests that maintaining a balanced pH level may help prevent bone loss and osteoporosis, especially when the body is too acidic. Number 2. Relieves heartburn and indigestion. Heartburn, also known as acid reflux or gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, is a condition where stomach acid backs up into the esophagus, causing discomfort and a burning sensation. Baking soda is often used as a natural remedy for heartburn because it works as an effective antacid. When you mix baking soda with water, it creates a mild alkaline solution. This solution helps neutralize the excess stomach acid that causes heartburn, providing relief from the discomfort. The reaction between baking soda and stomach acid forms carbonic acid, which breaks down into water and carbon dioxide, helping to neutralize acidity. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in 4 ounces of water and drink the solution slowly. This can provide quick relief from heartburn and indigestion. Precautions. While baking soda can provide fast relief, it should not be overused. Excessive use can cause the body to become too alkaline, leading to other issues such as metabolic alkalosis, bloating, or electrolyte imbalances. Number 3. Promotes oral health and freshens breath. Baking soda has long been a popular ingredient in toothpaste due to its ability to clean teeth, remove stains, and neutralize acids in the mouth that contribute to bad breath. It also has mild abrasive properties, which help scrub away plaque and food particles from teeth without being too harsh on tooth enamel. Baking soda acts as a mild abrasive, gently removing surface stains from teeth and polishing them. It also neutralizes the acids in the mouth, which can contribute to tooth decay and bad breath. Additionally, the alkalizing effect of baking soda may help to balance the pH of the mouth, reducing the growth of bacteria that cause bad breath and tooth decay. Mix a small amount of baking soda with water to form a paste and brush your teeth with it. You can also add it to your regular toothpaste for a mild exfoliation effect. For bad breath, you can gargle a solution of 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. Teeth whitening. Regular use of baking soda as a toothpaste may help whiten teeth over time by removing stains caused by coffee, tea, and smoking. Plaque removal. The mild abrasive nature of baking soda helps to reduce plaque buildup on the teeth, which can prevent cavities and gum disease. Number 4. Skincare and acne treatment. Baking soda has multiple uses in skincare, particularly for acne, exfoliation, and soothing irritated skin. Its mild antibacterial properties can help to reduce acne-causing bacteria, while its exfoliating nature helps to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. Baking soda's alkaline nature helps to balance the pH of the skin, which may aid in preventing acne breakouts. It also acts as a gentle exfoliant, removing dead skin cells, and promoting cell turnover, which can help keep pores clear. For acne treatment, mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with water to create a paste. Apply this paste to your face as a spot treatment for acne, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and then rinse with warm water. For exfoliation, combine baking soda with honey or coconut oil to form a scrub, Gently massage the mixture onto your skin in circular motions, then rinse thoroughly with warm water. Acne reduction. Baking soda can help to reduce acne breakouts by neutralizing the acidity of the skin and reducing the growth of acne-causing bacteria. Exfoliation. Baking soda helps remove dead skin cells, leaving the skin looking brighter and more radiant. Soothing irritated skin. Baking soda may also soothe irritated skin, including conditions like insect bites or sunburn. Number 5. Detoxifying the body. Baking soda is sometimes used in detox baths to help cleanse the skin and body by drawing out toxins. When dissolved in warm water, baking soda may help the body release stored toxins, promote relaxation, and improve circulation. The alkaline properties of baking soda may help to neutralize acids in the body and flush out toxins through the skin. This is why it is often included in detox bath recipes, especially when combined with other natural ingredients like Epsom salt. Add 1/2 to 1 cup of baking soda to a warm bath and soak for 20 to 30 minutes. You can also add essential oils like lavender for added relaxation benefits. Skin detox. The bath helps to cleanse the skin by opening pores and promoting the release of toxins. Relaxation. Baking soda can promote muscle relaxation and stress relief when used in a bath. Number 6. Relieves itchy skin and sunburns. Baking soda is an effective remedy for soothing irritated or itchy skin. Whether it's an insect bite, poison ivy, or a sunburn, baking soda can help reduce discomfort and speed up the healing process. Baking soda's alkaline properties can help neutralize the acids in the skin, which may help reduce irritation and itching. It can also act as a mild anti-inflammatory agent, soothing inflamed skin. For itchy skin or bug bites, mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with a little water to make a paste. Apply it directly to the affected area and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off. For sunburn relief, add 1/2 cup of baking soda to a cool bath and soak in it for 15 to 20 minutes. Itch relief. Baking soda helps to reduce the itching and discomfort caused by insect bites or skin allergies. Sunburn relief. Baking soda can alleviate the pain and redness associated with sunburns. Number 7. Boosts kidney health and helps prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs. Baking soda is sometimes used as a home remedy to help prevent and manage urinary tract infections, UTIs, and support kidney health. When dissolved in water, it may help neutralize the acid in urine and prevent the growth of bacteria that cause UTIs. Baking soda helps to alkalize the urine, which may help prevent the growth of bacteria in the urinary tract. This could potentially reduce the risk of developing UTIs, which are common infections caused by bacteria entering the urinary tract. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water and drink it. This may help to balance the pH of urine and reduce the risk of infection. Prevention of UTIs. Baking soda can help neutralize the acidity of urine, creating an environment less conducive to bacterial growth. Kidney support. Alkalizing the urine may reduce kidney stone formation and support overall kidney health. Number 8. Foot health and fungal infections. Baking soda can be an effective remedy for various foot health issues, including foot odor, fungal infections, such as athlete's foot, and general foot hygiene. It can also help soften rough skin and calluses. Baking soda neutralizes odors, absorbs moisture, and can help fight fungal infections due to its mild antifungal properties. It also softens the skin, making it easier to remove calluses and corns. Foot soak. Dissolve 1/4 cup of baking soda in a basin of warm water and soak your feet for 20 to 30 minutes. For athlete's foot, sprinkle baking soda directly onto your feet and in your shoes to help reduce fungal growth and prevent odor. Foot odor relief. Baking soda neutralizes the bacteria that cause foot odor. Fungal infection treatment. Baking soda can help manage fungal infections such as athlete's foot. Skin softening. It can help soften rough skin and calluses, making it easier to remove dead skin. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.